This item is such an essential, not just in my travel wardrobe, but in my everyday wardrobe. What I'm wearing right now, what I'm talking about, is the Tippi sweater from J. Crew. That is my #1 winter item. It's available in a variety of sizes from 3XS to 3XL. This is 3XL. It's so lightweight, you might not even believe that it'll keep you warm. What everybody thinks is, I need to have a sweater that's really thick, same size as the other one. It's a 3X. It doesn't matter if it's an XS or a 3XS. This is going to take up a lot more space in your suitcase. Because it's predominantly made out of acrylic and synthetic fabrics, yes, it will keep you warm, but surprisingly not as warm as this thinner sweater because it's a super fabric. It's 100% merino wool. Merino wool is the best fabric for winter travel. The key thing with merino wool is that you don't wash it while you're traveling. Merino wool takes forever and ever to dry. The reason why it's awesome is because it repels scent, so you don't have to wash it. You can actually just hang up the sweater every day after you're finished using it and let it air out. You can rewear this all the time. A big downside is the price, but it is so worth it. Another reason why merino wool is really good, because if it's next to your skin, it also repels moisture. So if I'm walking around sightseeing with merino wool right now, it may be cold on the outside, but if I'm walking briskly or after 5 hours of sightseeing, the sweater will be wicking my moisture away from my body versus retaining it. So if I had a cotton sweater on, for example, it's gonna get moist, it's gonna stick to my body, and it's gonna make me cold. It doesn't matter what jacket you have on top or what you have underneath. If you don't have the right thing closest to your body keeping you warm, then you have the potential to not be able to maximize your warmth with your jacket and other things. So some notes about, general fabrics and merino wool and everything for cold weather travel.